Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will move on to part 3. First of all, we have to follow the rules of IUPAC names. You have to find and name the longest continuous carbon chain like meth, eth, prop, and so on. Then identify and name the groups attached to this chain. Carefully number the chain consecutively, starting at the end nearest a substituent group. Then designate the location of each substituent group by an appropriate number and name. Listing groups in alphabetical order using the full name. For example, we take the 6-carbon atom chain for the next one. And check out the branched structure for N-hexane. If we place both methyl, or CH3, in 2 different places, we call 2 and 3-dimethylbutane. And not 3 and 2-dimethylbutane, do not use reversed numbers. Keep it in right order. If suppose, placing 2-methyl in same carbon atom point, we call 2 and 2-dimethylbutane. And not 3 and 3-dimethylbutane. Keep the least number 2 in the following order. We conclude the following. Each of 2 or more compounds with the same formula, but a different arrangement of atoms in the molecule and different properties, is called isomers. Any of the series of saturated hydrocarbon are called alkanes. Its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Any of the series of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double bond are called alkenes. Its general formula is CnH2n. And any of the series of unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a triple bond are called alkynes. Its general formula is CnH2n-2. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.